Hey everyone, thanks for tuning back in. So today we've got May 19th, and today was once again another slow day in the small cap world, and it's frustrating, but I feel like I'm used to it at this point. So today was just a whole lot of nothing. And so I did update one of my swing trades that we'll get into today for AMC. So I'll give you an update on that in a second. But first, let's talk about the slow small cap market here. So I felt this was like identical to yesterday. We had Mosey. Actually, I take that back. Mosey wasn't the one. This was a few days ago. But Mosey was a stock I was looking at today. And I just, no opportunities on it for me. It did have a nice spike up early morning here, and went right into a halt. And volume came in, but there was no volume really in this before, so it's kind of spiked up out of nowhere really quick, really fast, went into a halt, opens up, and had a nice little spike up, but kind of a drop from that, and then stabilized and then dropped again. So I wasn't even looking at this until a little bit later, and I was looking in some of these areas, but I was very tempted to hop in at this point too. When we broke this area, what was it, at 534, it broke it, had a hard nice rip, but then it completely reversed, flushed everyone out right there. So nasty red candle, and this thing just did that all day long, up and down, up and down, up and down, consolidated up. And so nothing good there for me, at least. Let me go ahead and that's all I could really find that I was kind of watching for. There was another one, LLIT. I actually did take a trade on this. Small, fast, quick trade. And it was earlier today. Let me see if I can find it for you guys. Yeah, 1156 at 874. Let's see. Yeah, it was actually right in here. I hopped in this as it pulled back because it did rip. Look at this, no volume all day long. Finally, it rips, and volume did come in, but it was still at this point. That's so early when I don't see any volume trading all day, and then something just comes up and pops up out of nowhere. I'm a little bit hesitant on this case. It went into a halt. It opened up, and so I hopped in for a trade here. It was really nothing. I made $10 on that trade, but I grabbed on part of the pull down here and then sold just a few cents higher. So nothing really great on that. However, it did continue, but I think I kind of got distracted. I think I was eating lunch around this time or something. Something was going on because I wasn't paying attention to the rest of this and kind of missed out on this move here. So let me know if you hopped in this one and traded it today. But after that move, I mean, it fell, hung around VWAP all day long, and went for another retest. Couldn't do it, and it failed. So to me, once again, there was really nothing to trade. Very slow. And I'm getting tired of this, but it's just the way that's going. You got to stay disciplined. You got to stay patient. That's part of the game. And so anyways, let me update you real quickly with my swing trade here. AMC. So today, the markets were I can't talk today. Give me a sec here. So today, overall market was down. There was a lot of red in the market today. And even including some of the swing trades that I have. So with AMC, let me pull up the yearly. So I did update you guys a few days ago when I hopped into AMC, got in at 1208. That was my average cost. So I was writing this thing up and, joining the movement here. I know there's a lot of movement, a lot of talk going on in Reddit, YouTube world, Wall Street Bets, you name it, it's all over. But a lot of retail traders are hopping in to try to ride this AMC to the moon. So a lot of people think that we really have this opportunity to go massively higher, and I don't know how it's going to unfold. I don't know. There's a lot of talk on how all the hedge funds and the shorts are going to have to close other positions once this squeeze begins. But the question is, how long will it take to squeeze? It could squeeze tomorrow and go to the moon. It could. I don't know. And we also might have the chance of it going sideways for quite a while. So I'm kind of caught in this. So let me give you the update is, with my trading here on this channel, it's all mainly small cap momentum trading, and I'm getting in and out very quickly. It's all day trades. And so for me to kind of transition into the swing trades, something that I'm doing kind of out of the fact that the small caps world has slowed a bit, and I want to be kind of in the ride for the potential on this thing. So, I'm trying to see it through, but honestly, I had to sell out today. And I know it's kind of going against the, all the people that are buying in and holding, forever. But the real truth is, I think everyone's got a price. If this thing does skyrocket and does go to, let's say, 20, 25, 30, 50, 100, there's going to be a lot of people selling out, right? I mean, that's the whole point of getting in this thing. But there's a lot of people that just want to, hold it long term. So I don't know what to tell you on that. I haven't done a ton of research on it. I've just done kind of some general overview on it, and seeing what some of the retail traders are saying about it. So I like the idea of being in for the ride on this one. But today I had to sell out, and let me show you why. And part of it is just that I'm not, I don't have diamond hands in regards to some of these swing trades that I'm just kind of doing for fun. I have such a small cap momentum trading mentality and a day trade mentality that, I like to get in. Like I said, I like to get out quickly. I use my speed keys almost to all my trades. And so for me to be patient and to see this one through is a little difficult. And let's show you where. So I told you I got in at 12:08. So I believe, yeah, it was on this day. It was May 13th. Hopped in, got in at 12:08. Average cost there, and this thing took off. So did quite well on it that first day, right? And of course, it came all the way back down, cross VWAP, settled, and then just spiked a little bit after. So my idea was, what, let me ride this for the next couple days. Well, if it goes to 20, awesome. We'll try to sell out of ties. Anyways, I've been holding, kind of watching it. Was feeling better and better and better as, this day went by. Not a whole lot of movement, but then we got this day where it moved big time after hours. Went all the way up to 1579. I think I was up like $700 on this. And so, I don't know, just feeling pretty good about the momentum that was coming through and some of the volume. But unfortunately, yesterday was a pretty flat day, and it faded quite a bit, especially pre-market. So it did fall quite a bit. And then today had a huge flush pre-market. So, we might see some more support in here today. This whole area here was a lot of support and resistance in there. And if we zoom out, yearly chart, this is one area to watch for sure, this 1470 area. And then we're going to go in and probably retest these highs. But for me, I had to sell out. So today's whole deal was, you know what, I'm not going to go red on the name. I don't mind holding this thing for quite a while, whether it be a few days, few weeks. And so we can get that momentum to push through. But if we even get fairly close to my average cost, I'm gonna sell the position and possibly try to buy in lower if I feel like that opportunity is there. So that's kind of what I did today. So anyways, today I sold the entire position. I think it was 200 shares, and I ended up selling it at 12.42. And today it went up, came down, and once it crossed that 12.50 area, I just thought to myself, you know what? I'm in at 12.08. I'd rather sell this thing, put a little green profit on the table, and then, if it does cross below my 12.08, look for a better position to add in and maybe swing trade it again later on once we get that momentum. But yeah, I don't know. Kind of feeling like maybe I shouldn't have sold out, but it did hit. I mean, we got very close to hitting that 12.08. Look right here. The lowest of the day was 12.15. So had I not sold, I got like a $68 profit on it. And, that's nothing in relation to where I was at before on its high of up here. I was, up $700. So, I don't know. I feel a little bad for selling out here, but at the same time, I like being green more than I like being red. And I think there might be the chance where this thing could open up a little bit lower tomorrow. Maybe find some more support a little bit further down. And then it might eventually go for another run. Truth is, we really don't know. And like I said, I'd rather be green. And I think that's where my day trading mentality came in today and goes, look, don't go red on the name. You've held this for a few days now. No point in going red on it. You're better off selling, buying in lower if you find that opportunity. So we almost got there. We almost crossed that, 12.08. We hit the 12.15. So technically I could have held it, but like I said, I'd rather have put $68 on the day versus zero, So I can't feel too bad about that, but I might keep watching this thing, look for another opportunity to buy in, maybe a little bit lower, and ideally, go for another run on this thing. But I think I don't know. I think there's a lot of potential for a squeeze here where it could really shoot up. The question is, how long is it going to take? It could be tomorrow. It could be a week from now. It could be a month. And I think there's a big date on the time frame here. I think June 2nd is when the voting goes in for AMC. There might be a potential push before that date. I don't know. We'll see what unfolds. But I am still holding GME. This is one where I'm in at 158. So I might have to play this in the same kind of position. I am still green on GME. I'm up $59 on it, up 6%. And not a huge position, but once again, I'm just, in these kind of for fun and the possible potential. So I don't know. I just, from the research and social sentiment here, I think AMC has more potential at this point to kind of do that squeeze, but I think AMC, GME, and COS are all going to kind of play off each other. If AMC moves hard, I think GME is going to have a move up as well. So I'm going to hold this, try to ride GME out a little bit, see if we can get a higher push here. Maybe go for another big squeeze. But yeah, still holding that one, but I might have to dump it. Who knows? We'll see how tomorrow goes. But that's kind of where I'm sitting today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know how your trading was today. I'd like to know from a lot of you small cap traders like me, what did you guys trade? Did you guys trade anything today? I think Ross Cameron from Warrior Trading, I don't think he had any trades today. So that kind of shows you, I mean, when a lot of traders like that are not even making any trades in a day, then it might, it's definitely a slow market. So That's where I sit for now. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. Make sure to subscribe if you're enjoying this and you want to stay tuned for the recaps that I do every single day, because who knows, maybe the thing blows up tomorrow, and definitely want to cover it. So that's it for now. Take care. We'll see you tomorrow. And oh, let me show you one more thing. Let me show you the calendar before we head off here. Calendar, here we go. Once again, this month has been horrible, very slow. Just to recap, the first week of the month was actually phenomenal, but I didn't capitalize on everything because I was on vacation. So I only got some opportunities on the first week. I was able to go up $455. Last week was down $785, so not in a good position for this month. And I'm just waiting for some turnaround in this market, and hopefully we get that soon, because I'd like to get back to the day trading. I'd like to get back to that momentum trading, the stuff I love trading. But hey, we might just have to sit on our hands for a bit. So hope you guys enjoyed this one. Take care. See you next time.